Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change emoji skin tone in Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open a conversation in your Messenger app where you want to send an emoji with a customized skin tone. This could be any chat with a friend, family member, or group conversation. Once you're in the conversation, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll find the emoji icon. Go ahead and tap on it to open up your emoji options. After tapping the emoji icon, you'll see a panel appear displaying various options including stickers, GIFs, and emojis. At the top of this panel, you'll notice several icons representing these different categories. What you want to do here is tap specifically on the emoji icon located at the top. This will filter your view to show only the emoji selection, making it easier to find what you're looking for. Now comes the important part. You need to find an emoji that actually supports skin tone customization. Not all emojis have this feature, so look for ones that typically represent human gestures or faces. For this example, let's use the peace sign emoji, which is one of many emojis that allows you to adjust the skin tone. Once you've located your desired emoji, instead of simply tapping it, press and hold your finger on it. This is the key action that unlocks the skin tone options. When you press and hold the emoji, a small pop-up menu will appear above or around it displaying different skin tone variations. You'll see multiple options ranging from lighter to darker tones, giving you the flexibility to choose the representation that feels right for you. These options appear as the same emoji in different shades, making it easy to see exactly how your choice will look. Simply browse through the available skin tone options and tap on the one you prefer. The emoji will automatically be selected with your chosen skin tone applied to it. After selecting your preferred skin tone, the emoji is now ready to be sent. Go ahead and tap the send button to share your customized emoji in the conversation. And that's it! You've successfully changed the emoji skin tone in Facebook Messenger and can now express yourself more personally in your chats. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.